Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to copy text from an image. There are two ways to do this. The first one is to use an application called OneNote, and the second one is to use a website. The first way is to right click on the image and click on the edit option. And now open your OneNote application and click on the option called Send to OneNote tool, and a small window will pop up, and click on the screen clipping option and highlight the text which you want to copy. Now click on the option called Copy to Clipboard. Now open your OneNote tool again and click on New Quick Note. Now right click on it and paste the picture. Now again right click on the picture and click on Copy Text from Picture. Now you can paste your text anywhere you want. And the second way to do this is to open Chrome and type onlineocr.net. Now you have to just upload your image. And click on the Microsoft Word option and click on Text Plain and click on Convert. And you can download the output file from here, or else you can copy the text from here. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.